Good morning, everyone. This is Brian Weber from technicalanalysis.research.com. Um, I'm just going to cover yesterday's update before I move on to today's analysis because I posted the morning analysis and then an update. For the update, we were still trapped within this 129.70 range all the way up to the 130.70 level. If you guys can remember, this was our sell level, the 129.70. So if prices breach this level, we'd be looking to get short in the market. Or if prices breach the 130.070 level, we'd be looking to get long in the market. And we were pretty much just trading within the range yesterday, but it offered some trading opportunities within the 100 pip range. If you guys can remember, if you watched the morning video, okay, so the 100 pip range was 129.70 up to 130.70. And we got to bounce off one of our supports that pushed price up to the resistance. And then on the update video, I mentioned that we should cover our longs and stand aside and wait for the next signal. And the next signal, based on my analysis update, was if we busted above that 130.70 level and then held it as support, we should look to get long again. And that happened about half 4, half 5 p.m. British Standard Time. So we had the break above the 130.70 level here, and then we came back down, held it as support here, and that was our opportunity to get long in the market again. Again, that was our buy level, the 130.70 level. Okay, so break above, comes back, holds it as support, and then moves up to a high of 131.47. So a couple of trading opportunities yesterday. One off of the 000 to trade it up to the 130.070 level, and then the breakout and support hold of 130.070 to get you long again. So well over 120 pips between the two trades if you followed my analysis yesterday based on the morning analysis and the updated analysis. So for today, because we're above that 130.070 level, it makes things a little bit bullish, but as you guys can see, prices just starting to pull back during the Asian session. From about late US session going into the Asian session, we've had this pullback off of the 130.147 level, and it's currently trading just above today's support level at 130.85, 130.90. And that's the key support because here's the 15-minute 200 period moving average. You can see the prices have just moved below the 50 and the 100 period moving average, and it's looking at this last line of defense here for the 200, which is next to the 130.85, 130.90 support point. So this is a crucial point for us on the chart today, that level. And really, if that level does give way, and then we see the 130.70, which was our buying level yesterday, that was going to be our indication if prices were going to be bullish. If it broke that level, okay, so if we dip back below this 200 period moving average, really it has to take a bounce at that 130.70. If it doesn't, it takes that level out, we're back within the bearish nature of the market because we had this rally up in the market and now we're pulling back. So support really does have to hold at these levels right here, or else we're just going to see the bearish trend resume in the market again. The short-term uptrend is just going to be faded out. Okay, so for a move below 130.70, we're going to look to get bearish in the market. Okay, we're going to look to get short in the market if we break that level. Of course, we've got various different targets on the way down there. You should always be trailing your stop loss anyway. You never just take a position in the market and just hope that it'll move to your target and hit your target. Always trail that stop down. Okay, so for today's analysis, what we're looking for is key signs at that current support. Okay, so these two support levels, this support level, which is the 130.70, and this support level, which is the 130.85.90 with the 200. So this little zone right here is going to be very important today. Okay, so if we break this band then we're going to look to get short in the market. Okay, so if we dip below here, let me just point that out. Again, we're looking for a break. We're going to look for a little bit of confirmation as well. So if we get a break, we're going to look for a retest of one of these levels as resistance, and then we're going to look for a continuation move. And again, targets for this trade will be the 130.50 down towards the 130.30, and even further down we've got the 129.93, and also just below there was our bearish level for yesterday, which was the 129.70. We do have lower levels, but we've not marked them off in the chart today. We don't think we'll get that low. But definitely, if we break that 130.070, we're going to look to get short down to 130.50, 130.30, and possibly even down to the 129.93 level. Okay, so that's the bearish side of the chart today. Now, the other scenario could be that we actually hold this level and we get the signal to go long. Okay, so we could dip down to one of these levels here, and we actually get the buy signal to get back long in the market. If we do that, then obviously targets are going to be yesterday's high at 130, 147, and possibly all the way up to the 130, 175, 130, 185 levels. Okay, so this is going to be either your buy zone or your sell zone today, and it's quite a significant fact that the current support point is both your buy and sell signal. Usually we have two different areas on a chart for buying and selling, but the one cluster of support points here is both our buy and sell. So again, we're looking for either this level to hold, giving us a sign to go long in the market, or if we actually bust out of this level, we're going to look for signs to get short in the market. Okay, so 130.70 up towards the 130.90 is our key zone today. Below 130.070, we're going to look to get short. Back above 130.090, we're going to look for signs to get long in the market. Okay, guys, have a great trading day.